Hello everyone, and today we got our hands on the smart earbuds translator with ChatGPT support from Wooask. Namely, the model is called AI Translator Earbuds A9. And this device is pretty cool and something new in the market because you can consider it a mini phone because the A9 supports a SIM card slot which allows you to even make phone calls. And it also has its own built-in camera, and you can also listen to music through these headphones. All this goodness comes in this packaging, where the front side shows a case with headphones, the sides indicate the main functions of the device, and the back side indicates brief specifications. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. In the kit you will find an envelope, opening which we will find a user manual in different languages, as well as answers to frequently asked questions, a tool for removing the SIM card tray, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and of course the case itself, along with the Wooask AI Translator Earbuds A9 headphones. Wooask A9 is the world's first all-in-one 4G standalone translation system with headphones included. You don't need a phone or an additional app to use it. It's all here in a fully standalone device. It supports 144 online languages, with many accents, 16 offline languages, and you can even translate images, sentences, or text, thanks to the built-in camera on the back. On the front, we have a 2.8-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 480 by 640 pixels. On the left side, we have the power button and the volume up or down keys. On the right side, there are two buttons, A and B, which are responsible for translating between two different languages. And under the buttons, there is also a slot for a SIM card, so you can use cellular communications. Below, we have a USB-C charging port with a microphone. And on the back, as I said earlier, there is a camera, and under it is a 2-watt speaker. The dimensions of the device are 91 by 64 by 20.2 millimeters, and the weight is 118 grams. The upper part has a nice shiny surface with a matte silver magnetic section, opening which we will find the headphones themselves held by magnets, and a pop-up window will appear in which it is displayed that the headphones have connected to the device. The charge of the headphones and the case itself will be displayed. The earbuds themselves have a sleek black glossy case, with charging contacts, indicator lights, and holes for the microphone and speaker, and are equipped with touch controls to turn the translation on or off at the right time, and are equipped with ENC environmental noise cancellation technology, which provides crystal clear translation even in the noisiest places. The earbuds themselves have a 40 mAh battery, and the earbud case has a 1500 mAh battery, which will provide up to 5 hours of continuous translation. And if used in mixed mode, you will get an impressive 36 hours of device operation. In addition, the A9 can work in standby mode for up to 30 days. The device runs on Android with a Qualcomm 3040 quad-core processor that drives its translation capabilities, providing both speed and stability, and the A9 has a built-in memory of 16 gigabytes. Interaction with the screen is pleasant, nothing lags. On the main tab, we can select the time zone for 2 countries. On the second tab, we can select the translation method as voice translation. It will be done through the speaker of the headphone case. Select the translation that will be carried out through the headphones themselves, offline translation, that is when the device is not connected to the network, and there is also the ability to talk to ChatGPT. You can speak to him in various languages. For example, request a resume, ideas, brainstorming, and much more, displaying information through headphones or a speaker. On the third tab, we can listen to music using Melon, Spotify services, or your own music that you transfer from a PC to this device. Then we can dial a number and call someone, or we can be called. There is a call history like a regular phone, and we can also add the necessary contact. There is a Messages tab, where we can receive messages as well as send them. There is also a Photo Translation tab, with which we can take a photo of the element we need, where we need a translation, and the device will easily translate it into the desired language in text format. And if necessary, it will be able to voice it in the original text and in translation.
Убедитесь, что аккумулятор полностью заряжен. Если аккумулятор разряжен, транспортное средство движется медленно и равномерно.
And on the last tab, we have the opportunity to watch a video previously downloaded by you via PC in MP4 format. It is possible to record audio using a voice recorder with ambient noise suppression. You can convert currency at the current rate, for example, dollars to euros. Quick access to Wi-Fi, as well as settings, where we can adjust the brightness, turn Wi-Fi on or off, select the system language. There is also Bluetooth version 5.3, which connects to headphones, but you can also use your other higher-end Bluetooth headphones to listen to music or watch videos. It is possible to set the time and date, choose which voice will interact with you, for example, female or male. Set after what time the display will turn off. You can also change the wallpaper. Several options are available. check for device updates, reset to factory settings, and information about the device itself. Wooask A9 is available in 2 colors. I have the black version, but there is also a white version. Now, regarding the translation via headphones, you can call it at any time using the side buttons A or B. When translating via headphones, you can wear one earphone. That is, one earphone will be in your ear, let it be the left earphone, and the second earphone, also the right, will be in another person's, and you can both speak in your language, and the interlocutor will be translated through the earphone into the desired language. For example, you speak English using the left earphone that will be in your ear, and your friend will receive the translation already in Ukrainian in the right earphone. And of course, it works the other way around, respectively, from Ukrainian to English, or the language that you choose before. This is great for confidential, unhindered communication. With the help of voice translation, you will be able to translate any conversations with the interlocutor using the case in the same way, or even, for example, translate the contents of a video into the language you need. Hello, how are you?
Привет, как дела?
Привет, я нормально, а у тебя как дела?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
In offline mode, having downloaded language packs in advance, you can translate even in flight mode. The accuracy is slightly reduced and fewer dialects are supported, but the translation still works decently, with a slight delay. Hello, how are you?
Здравствуйте, как дела?
Привет, спасибо, я нормально, а ты как?
Hey, thank you. I'm fine, and how are you?
To sum it up, the Wooask AI Translator Earbuds A9 are a top-notch device. The build quality is excellent, the design is compact and travel-friendly. It's a standalone device, no extra hardware or software required. And with all those features, 4G cellular, translation, camera, ChatGPT, music playback, voice recorder, and currency converter, it beats the competition in its price segment. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.